Action! Hi guys! I just want to tell you that we made some cell cookies and I'm going to tell you the recipe. First, you can pick whichever kind of cookie. I picked sugar cookies. And then you make that kind of cookie and then bake it. But first you have to shape it into different kinds of things in the human body, including cells.
What type of cells do you have here?
I have some red blood cells, some infected cells, and even a blood vessel with some red blood cells in it.
Oh.
And I got some skin cells and a B cell right here.
Wow. What makes that a B cell?
Because right here is an antibody.
Oh, I see. And how can you tell that the cells are infected? Which ones are infected?
Well, the ones that are all like this one is all covered in red sprinkles.
Oh.
And this one too. The ones that are all covered in sprinkles are infected.
The sprinkles are the viruses.
Except for the red blood cells.
I see. Did I hear you did a mitosis one too?
Yep, a mitosis one is right here.
Can you explain what that means, mitosis, and what you see here?
Mitosis is another word for cell multiplying.
I see. How do cells multiply?
Well, first they have to make a copy of themselves. Hey, Mommy, we're just telling our viewers the recipe of how we made these cookies.
Oh, wow.
Then, once you bake them, you have to cool them down and put them in the freezer for a bit. And then, once they're cooled off, you can decorate them.
Well, that's amazing. Thank you very much, Leo. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Well, we have all 13 cookies.
Okay.
We have 13 cookies.
Well, look for us again on leoandjeffrey.com, and don't forget to subscribe.